Hi everybody, it's Danny, and today I am going to do a taste test of the s'mores M&Ms. These are crispy M&Ms and they are s'mores flavored. And I'm super excited to figure out how they make, if these taste like s'mores and how they did it. I'm just gonna cut open the bag. Ooh. It actually kind of smells s'more-y. Like, I can smell like graham cracker. Oh, these are little. Regular crispy M&Ms, aren't they a little bit bigger? These are what they... Ah, shit, I dropped one. Oh well. Here's what they look like. There you go. And I dropped one on my floor. I'm not eating that one. Looks like they're white, probably to represent the marshmallow. Tan for the graham cracker, and black for the chocolate. I don't know. I'm gonna take one and bite it in half. It just looks like a regular crispy M&M. It doesn't taste like regular crispy M&Ms. There's something in there, but I can't tell what it is. Like, I can smell kind of like a graham cracker in them. And then I can also, like, smell like the marshmallowy type thing. I don't know. I don't really, they don't taste like s'mores. Like, at all. Just kind of tastes like crispy M&Ms. There might be a little bit of like marshmallow flavor in the crunchy part, but that's really it. There really isn't. I mean, they're good. They're not bad, but they don't really taste like. And they don't. Taking a bite of these, they don't just scream like s'mores to me, like the s'more Oreos. Those to me tasted, you know, pretty close to an actual s'more. These don't really taste like anything. Like, that really resembles a s'more, but they're good. That was a little disappointing. But also not disappointing because they are actually, they're still good. They're just not, they are not s'more flavored. At all. But, I mean, they taste good. They taste fine. I don't know. I probably wouldn't buy them again, like, unless my kids wanted them. I don't think I'll buy them again, personally, for myself. And I honestly would not recommend them because, again, they don't taste like s'mores. They just don't. So, I say if you're going to get one, maybe get the honey nut flavor, which I have tried and is amazing. Or maybe the chili nut if you like spicy. I haven't tried that one yet. Or the coffee nut one, which I also haven't tried yet. So, I don't know. I would skip on the s'more one because they're not really all that great. So, yeah. I hope everyone had a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye!